Hey there. Hi, my name is Elio Olmos, and I'm here to help people how to get good results on online business, on making money online. And I'm with Josh Elder. I just want to say thanks again for his new program that he is. And I'm getting results. If you guys want to get results, good results, you should, take action, guys. Take actions, implement this and apply it, and you can do it, guys, because I've been, like I said, getting good results. And Joshua, he does is the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is drive traffic. You don't need click funnels, get response anywhere. You don't need none of that. As long as you get the link, you're good to go. Get traffic, buy traffic from what Udemy, or solo ads Udemy, traffic for me. There's so many sources out there you can really get traffic from and get all your leads. So I really like about this program. That's pretty good. And if you're really interested, click the link below, share this video, and subscribe. Every time I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching my video.